Okay, the box is empty. I got 4 more packages, so let's get started. We got one bigger box. Most of the time these are filled with small packages. We got one of these, and they are not raw crystals because it is a box. One of these also unbox, and one bigger box. So let's get started with the first one. Okay, let's start with a big one because the first package was 14 packages. So let's open a few. 3 very beautiful butterflies. Look at this one. Definitely my favorite. But I also really like these. Some crystal point bells. Look how cute these are. Adorable. Got them in multiple different options. Okay, got 2 more to open, but first, these wall hangers. Look how pretty they are. In different types of crystal chips. Some more dragon heads. Some stars. Look at that tiger eye. Pretty. And some agate free, no, well, not freeforms. Teardrops, I guess. Look at the flash. Well, not flash. Look. Shimmery stuff. Pretty. And also this one. Look, if you keep it in the light. Look at the banding. Absolutely stunning. Now let's open these. Some mushies. Gotta love mushies. And one more agate teardrop. Look at that quartzite. Look at those small little rainbow pieces. See? This one is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Now let's open this one. 2 more of these pretty beauties. Love the colors. Now this one. Okay, some geode clusters. Let me put on the flash. Much better because look at these galaxy ones. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Especially this one. Look at it. Look at it. So pretty. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea to have dyed crystals, but I love them. Goodness. I got them all put on there for shipping and everything, but yeah, clearly did not do it right. And we have the unicorn ones here. Look at this color. Pretty. I love it when they sparkle. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I love these. Look at the sparkle. I mean, you also have it with this one, but this one, love it. Now, the last one, the last box, and then we are done. Okay, so this is a big one again, so let's open everything up. So I ordered a box of small geodes that I use for crafts and everything. I don't really sell those separately or anything, unless it's on markets and everything. But I gotta say that the quality of these are not as good as normal. I mean, this one is cute and everything, but normally they are like this. And they're cute, fun to have for small crafts and everything. But I mean, this one is broken. This one isn't really a geode. This one isn't a geode. Same with this one. Same with this one. So I only have these 4 that are actually really geodes. And this one's cute, but very, very small. I mean, compared to other ones, it's very small. Yeah, not really happy with the quality this time. Okay, I got some of these. Look how pretty. Got some pens, witchy pens. Pencils, actually. Got some selenite pieces, some hearts, angel, devil wings, Palo Santo, some evil eye clear quartz, car hangers, wall hangers, whatever you want to call it, some sage, and some more to open. Okay, the last batch. We have some clear quartz necklaces, like really good quality clear quartz. We have some moss agate ones, some obsidian arrow necklaces, obsidian bat necklaces, some dragon claw spheres. Look at the tiger eye. Then we have some labradorite ones. Look at this rainbow version. There you go. And this one is just blue. Then we have a heart in mostly pink purplish flesh, but this one is mostly rainbow actually. This one is more towards the pink side. Where's the flesh? There you go. And then we have these. I absolutely adore these. Look at the back. Rainbow. And then we have a little bit of druzy pockets. Absolutely stunning how this is made. These fossils are absolutely stunning. So yeah, I'm going to clear everything up, check if I got everything that I ordered, price everything, weight everything, and later make pictures and put everything online.